Hello, this is Sitsuri here, and today we're gonna find out how to make the cat go to the mouse. Now, we all know that most cats eat mice, but this cat doesn't eat mice. It just goes toward them. At least this one does. I don't know about other ones. But to do that, we have to have him go toward the mouse. So what we're gonna do is a when flag clicked, and then a forever loop. And what this will do is have the cat forever go toward the mouse, which is pretty cool because I thought cats eat mice. So now I'm gonna test this. Pretty nice. Now, for the test. Let's make it so that if the mouse eats, or hits the cat, or clicks the cat does something. Forget the eats thing, that would be scary. Okay, so let's go ahead and find the looks. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do today is also show you a little trick. So next costume. So we all remember if statements and stuff. But what you don't know is that when you use when this sprite clicked, it isn't as smooth. But if you have a forever loop and an if blank, if sprite clicked, then next costume, or whatever you're going to put in there, that's going to be more fast and efficient. So it should be in sensing. If touching mouse pointer, and mouse down, meaning if touching pointer and the mouse is being clicked, then next costume. So we don't need this with the sprite clicked. It isn't as efficient. And we can all have it in the same loop and still have it go pretty fast. So when I click, it goes to the next costume. Now, the problem with this is that immediately after I release, it goes to the next costume, and then it still thinks that I have it down, so it goes to the next costume again. So to fix that, what I'm gonna do is add a little bit of waiting, or maybe there's just another. No. Okay, so we're gonna add a little bit of waiting to keep it from happening. So we want it to be a barely noticeable wait time. So it's gonna be like 0.05 seconds. That should be about enough to be barely noticeable, but still have it so that it works right. So, or not. It's still completely smooth, but it isn't working how we want it to all the time. So, let's just make that delay longer. Double that. Now it works, and I guess humans these days don't notice a 0.1 second delay, because I'm not seeing anything big, so. So now, I'm gonna go ahead and save this. So we're gonna go to the project page, because the problem with doing go to mouse and stuff in the editor is that no matter what in the editor, you can still move the cat around anyway, so it kind of glitches it out. In the viewer, in the project viewer, you have a choice to make the sprite not move when it's clicked and held and dragged around, and by default that's off. So it seems to be working pretty nice too. Works perfectly. I am amazed. So we're just going to go ahead and stop that there. And that's pretty simple code. When the flag is clicked, forever go to the mouse pointer, and then if you're touching the mouse and the mouse is down, then go to the next costume and wait a tiny minuscule time that nobody will ever notice. So that's it.